There's a photo from my friend's wedding that I'm not in. Not because I wasn't invited. Not because we fell out. But because I was sitting in a library with 6 subjects, a ton of practice papers, and a deadline which didn't care about anyone's wedding. And that's just one photo. There are years of them. A birthday where I sent text to instead of showing up. Hang out with friends where I told next time so many times that people even stopped asking. And this did not happen at once. First you skip a Friday because there is a mock test Monday. Then you skip birthdays because the subject is still untouched. And then one day you realize that there is an inside joke between your friends from a trip you were never a part of, but you laugh along anyway because what else you can do? Relationships require time and patience, and this takes both. And it takes slowly that you won't even realize until it's already gone. And it's just not friends, it's family, and that one hurts differently. I've missed my cousin's weddings because it landed on my study leave. I have said no to family vacations which were planned for months because in my head, this attempt mattered more than any trip could. And Diwali, I don't think I can explain Diwali to anyone who hasn't lived it. Sitting on my study table while hearing firecrackers outside, your family is lighting diyas and laughing in the next room while you are staring at an audit page and thinking that this is temporary and this will be worth it. I'd come out for 15 minutes, touch my parents' feet, eat a sweet, and walk back to my study table while the celebrations outside carried on without me. Nobody in my family asked me to do it. I chose it every single time because I knew what was at stake. But knowing why you are missing something never makes it hurt less in the moment. And somewhere between all of this, I stopped taking care of myself without even realizing it. 12, sometimes 14 hours between articleship and study, day after day, week after week, month after month. Sleep was the first thing I sacrificed. 4 to 5 hours of sleep became normal. That's a terrifying thing to say out loud. Weekends stopped being rest. They became catch up. The things I used to do for my joy, reading something that wasn't standard, playing a sport, not doing anything on a lazy Sunday, all this disappeared so slowly that I don't even remember the last time I did it. Your body keeps count while your mind is only thinking about marks, and that I've learned the hard way more than once. And on top of it, there was money, or rather lack of it. Everyone assumes while you are training to become a CA, you are doing fine financially. The truth is, you are carrying the real responsibility, real client work, real pressure for a stipend that barely covers the basics. So, the phone your friend upgraded to delayed. The solo trips which everyone your age was posting on Instagram delayed. Even a small thing such as splitting your dinner bill evenly felt like a decision I had to think about. You learn to play a long game while everyone around you is living in the present. And that's a strange, lonely kind of patience to hold on to when you're 21 or 22. So, was it worth it? Yes, every single time. The sacrifice which I made were never just losses. They became the raw material of who I am now. The discipline, the punctuality, the pressure is now how I show up and how I tackle this. A version of me that missed the wedding entered the exam hall anyway, and that version doesn't fold under pressure anymore. There is a quiet kind of pride that comes with it. Not the loud celebratory kind, but the kind when you feel when you sign your first report. Your parents introduce you as their CA in a family function that you actually made it to this time. A junior turns to you for advice and you realize that you are the one who made it through now. This qualification doesn't just prove what you know. It proves what you are willing to give up, what you are strong enough to keep showing up for anyway. So today, on this CA day, to every single CA out there, the ones who cleared in first attempt or the ones who took 5 or more, the ones who sacrificed the weddings, the ones who studied through Diwali, or the ones who are running on 4 hours of sleep, happy CA day. What we built cost us more than what most people ever know, but it was worth every bit of it.